I've been waiting for this for so long and I can't wait anymore. So we go to ChatGPT, we go to the voice, and we see still the white circle. And when you click on the top right, it says advanced voice mode is on its way. So I found a workaround. So if you go to Play Store, look for NordVPN, you can get it for 7 days for free. So it's going to be enough for you to try out and play around. And wow. So here you will need to log in. I log in with my Gmail. And it will ask you it will offer you like a free trial. So after you all set up, here you can connect to Canada. Well, before I do that, let me go to the ChatGPT info and click for stop. Then I go back to NordVPN. I will choose Canada. Now I will go back to ChatGPT. And as you see, it just turned the headsets to the new icon. And when you click on it, you see that the screen is now white. And it has this blue icon. You have here...
Glad to meet you. I think we're going to do great work together. Where should we start?
You have here a lot of voices. And hi, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Can you speak with less volume?
Sure, I can speak more quietly. How's this?
And more quietly?
Okay, I'll lower my volume even more. How's this?
Can you whisper?
Sure, I can whisper.
Can you laugh?
Got it. Like that?
Yeah, okay, cool. All right, bye-bye.
Bye, take care.
And as soon as you turn off the VPN, the advanced voice model is gone. So, yep, now you know. Bye-bye.